Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, just in time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Safety, safety. Foam pads. That's cool. That's cool. Sorry, that was kind of sort of creepy, but nevertheless, pretty cool. We got the full matte carbon racing helmet from Rooks. I'm telling you guys, matte carbon, that is the new trend for supercars and hypercars. This helmet looks so sick. So today we are racing out at the Utah Motorsports campus. We are not taking the Aventador. We are not taking the R8. Jeep Nation. So we're headed that way to Tooele, Utah. We are racing today. No, we're not racing the Wrangler. I know, trust me. I want to, but anyways, never doubt, never crash. Full send today, boys. Hot chili dog. It is a cold one here in Utah, but there is not a single cloud in the sky. Welcome to the Utah Motorsports campus. We only have one goal today, and that is to keep the tires and the tarmac like together. This is goals right here. A daily driven supercharged Lamborghini Huracan that you drive to the track to race your Huracan Super Trofeo. That's how we do it. Well, that's how he does it. We don't do it. We actually drive the Jeep because, well, dad life. My precious, the GT3. But check this out. We have a sign. We made it, boys. We have officially arrived. Welcome here to Guadalajara, Mexico, Stradman. So this is the GT3 from Makes and Models we're gonna be driving today. Like I said, the goal is to keep it on the pavement. In one piece, presumably, tentatively. I've driven on a racetrack before, but for all intents and purposes, this is my first time ever driving a proper race car on a racetrack. Derek, the owner of Makes and Models, this is his car. I'm starting off in like the beginner category, HPDE1. That means absolutely nothing to me, but it's the lowest of the lowest of the lowest categories. So the only goal is to return this GT3 back to this garage at the end of the day. Hey, we're trying to vlog. We're trying to vlog, buddy. Hey. I know. But Senior Marshmallow's over there. Looking good. Ooh, V10 Gallardo. Oski, look. Oski, look though. Look. Let's go.
Oh my God.
Can Oscar meet?
Like
Whoa! Oh. Junior Marshmallow and Senior Marshmallow.
What?
Yellow LP560 just showed up. This color looks killer under the Utah sun. Whoa. You might think this is a V10 R8. It's actually a V8 R8 with the V10 bumper. You got the color matching side blade. That thing's sick. This GT3, it makes me feel like Lewis Hamilton out there. This is like the best car I have ever driven. I say this time and time and again, Porsches are the best engineered cars in the world. I am a terrible driver, but this made me feel like a world champion. Here's what I'm wondering. Do I sell the R8 and buy a GT3 and become a track day warrior? What do you guys think? In the comments below, let me know what you think. Awesome day. Massive shout out to Makes and Models for inviting me to drive the GT3. It is so addicting. I would love to bring like my Aventador or Gallardo out here, but it's just like very hard on the brakes and the tires on those cars are not very cheap. Girth Nation, welcome to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. This is the 2019 GT3 MR. Look at those fenders. Are you kidding me? This is what the GT3 RS should be. This right here. This should be it. That thing is insane. This is worth probably $500,000. What an awesome, awesome day. First track experience ever, but definitely not the last. Amazing day, but we have some bad news. Well, it's not really bad news. I don't even know what it is. We received an email from Ford, the Ford Motor Car Company. They're back, baby. 2 or 3 weeks ago, I rescinded my Ford GT application. If you have not seen that video, go check it out. Well, yesterday, I received an email from the Ford executives. Dear James, thank you for your enthusiasm and interest in the new Ford GT. Unfortunately, the demand has surpassed our very limited production and we will not be able to fulfill your request. So there's kind of sort of two scenarios at play. Either A, they received my email rescinding my application and then I just got like this automatic reply, or B, they never actually got that email and they rejected my Ford GT application anyways. And I'm pretty sure that's what happened. So even if I wanted a Ford GT, even if I could afford a Ford GT, I wouldn't be getting a Ford GT. So on that bombshell, this is a cold startup on a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, yes. Yeah, I mean the Wrangler probably gets like 13 miles to the gallon, but it's not that bad because the 6x6 will probably get like 9. We've arrived to home sweet home, but today's video is not quite over. We have a supercar barbecue. I think it's a barbecue. It's my understanding there's gonna be quite a few V12s there tonight, so we're taking the Aventador. Let's go! Come on, come on, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go! Come on, Asky, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Hop on in, bud. Hop in. Your first ride in the Aventador. Step 1 for you to ride in the Aventador, we gotta first cover the seat. Seat is covered. Oscar, I know, you don't want to. I have to put you in the kennel. I don't have a choice, buddy. If anybody has triggered that Oscar is in his kennel, I don't really have a choice. Like, it's either he stays at home for 3 hours by himself, or B, he rides in a kennel in the Aventador. So, cold startup. How you doing, Oski? Do you like the Aventador? You doing good? Okay, good. Traffic. I'm wondering, do Oscar and I count as a carpool? I mean, it's kind of sort of 2 passengers. I mean, he is a dog, but he's Insta famous. If you don't follow him on Instagram. Oski's passed out asleep in the Aventador. We are climbing high above Utah. Look at that house. That's a cool house. That 360 is sick. Oh, look, it's Sal Guy. What's up? It's Sal and Faith. Front end lift. Yep. Oski, wake up, bud. Wake up, dude. It's little Sal. Sal, buddy, I missed you. What's up, dude? What's up? Let's get little Oski. Come on, you big lug. Hey, Sal.
Sal, excuse me.
Don't get in the Aventador. Oski, you're free. You're good. You're good here. Good here. No.
Okay, back up.
Back up. It's game over. It's game over. Back up. Back up. Game over. Not worth it. Sorry, Instagram. It's just simply not worth it. It's a Ferrari. It's a 458 Spider. It's just not worth it, guys. Whoa, check that out. John just showed up in the 458 Spider. So we got 2 458 Spiders. We got the gated 360, the Aventador, the LP560, and the Cayman. But look at that sunset. Ladies and gentlemen, we got views on views. Okay, we're gonna jump. Look at the interior on this 458. That is crazy. It's like cream with red. I actually kind of dig it. It's like a Dubai spec. So if you could have just one car in this entire driveway, which would it be and why? Are you a Ferrari guy? Are you a Lambo guy? Or are you a Porsche guy? Or would you rather have Oscar and Sal? I think I'd take the dogs.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
You're good, man. You're good.
That is such a sick looking LP560. Oh, good day, boys. A good day. What do you think, Oski? Should we wake up Utah? Yeah, you think so? Okay. Oh goodness! We just hit 17,000 miles on the Aventador. Oski, buddy, how was your first ride in the Aventador? How was it, bud? How was it? Did you like it? Stretch, stretch! Ooh, yeah. So a lot of people have been asking what kind of breed Oscar is. He is a Samoyed. Once he's fully grown, he'll be about 55 to 60 pounds. That is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.